Matrix operations. First, let's talk about what a matrix is. Matrix, I guess we can think of as a box of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one we would say is a 2 by 3 matrix. The reason it's a 2 by 3 is that there are 2 rows. So these things are rows, and there are 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3 columns. So that's a 2 by 3. I always list the number of rows and then the number of columns. That's a 2 by 3 matrix. First, let's talk about adding. I'm going to take a 2 by 2 square matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, and add to it 1, 0, negative 1, 2. And all you do is add entry by entry. So I take the first row, first column of the first matrix and add to it the first row, first column of the second matrix. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I took that plus that, and that got me 2. And then I take 2 plus 0, that gets me 2. 3 plus a negative 1 is a 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's how you add 2 matrices. Now I know you're hoping, boy, I hope there's a lot of those on that quiz. Right, well, I don't know if you're going to get a whole lot of those on the quiz. Maybe you get one on the quiz if you're lucky. Subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's subtract. 1, 0, negative 1, 2. So now I take 1 and subtract 1, and that gives me 0. I take 2 and subtract 0, and that gives me 2. 3 subtract negative 1 is 4, and 4 subtract 2 is 2. So there's the subtraction. And I know you're also hoping for pretty many of those. Scalar, multiple. So the scalar here is going to be a 3, and I'm going to multiply that by the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what you do here is you take 3 times 1, that gives 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12. So there's a scalar multiplication. Still, pretty nice stuff. Okay. Well, now first I'm wondering, can you even do this? Well, you can do this so long as the dimension of this matrix winds up being the same as the dimension of that matrix. So addition and subtraction, you have to have the same size matrices in order to even do them. So here I guess I would have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And to that I'm going to add 2, 0, 0, 4, 6, 2. All right, so there I did the scalar multiplication first, and now I'm going to do the addition. And so 5 plus 2 is 7, and 10 plus 0 is 10, 15 plus 0 is 15, 20 plus 4 is 24, 25 plus 6 is 31, and 30 plus 2 is 32. So there's that one. Still, pretty nice stuff. Let's try 2 times the matrix, 1, 0, negative 1, 2, plus 3 times the matrix, 1, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, 4. Well, now looking at this problem, something seems to be afoul. It looks like we're not going to be able to do this one. The reason that we're not going to be able to do this one is that this first matrix is a different size from the second one. So, you see, I mean, even if we thought we could, at some point here we're going to have an entry -3. Now, where on earth would we add that -3 to? There's just no place. So here we'll just say not possible. The matrices had the wrong dimension in order for that one to work. Just couldn't do it.